This is Dad's art show at the Runge Nature Center in Jefferson City.
First of all, I can tell you that it was here when we opened up, so it's 20 years old. Yeah.
He's kicking pretty good still.
Yeah, this is called a musk turtle. And musk is something that if someone tried to eat it, it would be smelly crust. That's what we call it. And it was a fish or whatever it was, we would probably drop it.
So come by the Runge Nature Center in Jefferson City on 179 north of Highway 50 and check out the art show. I think he has 19 paintings. A lot of these are from Bennett Springs area and the prairies up around northern Benton County, Missouri, around Coal Camp. There's a few more over here. And some more creek fishing scene. And these two scenes here are same scene, different times of year. That's it. Come by.
You don't even remember it. You don't remember doing that picture.
Yes, I do.
Oh,
Long time ago.
long
God.
time.
So, long ago friend of Dad's showed up here at the Conservation Department and pulled out a bunch of prints of Dad's that he had in his office and brought them in. That's his dog. These are from the collection of the famed biologist Ray Evans, Missouri Department of Conservation.
Gordon McCann was not in the Forest Service. He and his dad owned the Springfield Blueprint Company. They were catty corner across the street from him. Old Gordon loved to float, so Gordon and I are in a canoe, and a photographer and somebody else followed us down photographing us. But anyway, I did a painting from all those photographs.